Hello friends, today we will solve one numerical which comes in the paper Puja 22, which is the latest paper of your October 2019. So it comes under the unit number 2. Let's see the question. The beam ABCDE hinge at A and supported on the rollers at D is loaded as shown in figure. Means reactions are given here. One of the reaction is your inclined reaction of 6 kilonewton. Uniformly supported load UDL is given. Distributed load is 1 kilonewton per meter, and the 3 kilonewton vertical force is given here. The span is a total 9 meter span is given here. So we have to find the reaction at point A and D. This point A is your hinge support and point D is your roller support. So as we know that the beam is at hinge at point A and it also carrying the inclined load, that is 6 kilonewton. So therefore the reaction at A will be the resultant of the horizontal and vertical forces, and it will be inclined with the vertical. Means the reaction which comes under the point A will be the inclined. Means we have to also find the angle of the inclination of the resultant force A. So the let's start solving it. So first of all we have to resolve this inclined force, that is 6 kilonewton, into vertical and horizontal forces. So the vertically if you see resolving this force is 6 sine 30, because angle is given as 30 degree. So it comes 3 kilonewton, and by resolving horizontally, that is 6 cos 30, it comes 5.196. Let's consider this as a point number A, small a. We will record this numerical value later on. So we know the anti-clockwise moment due to reaction RD, that is at roller support D point. RD about A, we are taking the moment at point A with respect to the point A. So it is your RD into 8, means RD, and the distance is 8 meter from the point A. So RD into 8, so RD we have to calculate. So 8 RD is your equation, kilonewton meter is equation number 1. Now this is anti-clockwise. Now we will take the clockwise moments due to the loads which are given. Loads given here, 3 loads, 6 kilonewton, 1 kilonewton meter UDL, and 3 kilonewton at point E. So due to this load A about point A, we are taking the moment at point A. Now this is clockwise. So clockwise we will take 3 into 2, because 3 is your 6 sine 30, means vertical resolving vertical force of the this inclination point B. So 3 into distance point A, 0.2 meter. Now the UDL having the reaction 1 into 4, 1 kilonewton per meter, means 1, and the span is 4 meter, therefore it is a 1 into 4 the vertical force, and the distance from the point A is your half of this UDL 2 and the remaining 2, so total 6. So 1 into 4 into 6 is your second equation, and the third equation is 3, and total span is your 9 meter. So there is a given is 3 into 9. So the total of this, calculating this, we will get the 57 kilonewton meter. Let's see this equation number 2. Now equating these two, because these are the at moment at point 1 A, clockwise and anti-clockwise, so we have to equate this. So 8 RD is equal to 57, and by solving this 57 by 8, we will get the RD value, means reaction at D point, that is roller support, is comes 7.125 kilonewton, and this is the answer. That is we have to find the reaction at point A and D. So we will get the first reaction, that is RD at point D, that is 7.125 kilonewton. Now the at point A, first of all we have to find out the vertical component of the reaction point at point A. So the for solving the vertical components, we have to take all the vertical reactions. So the 3 is your first, that is 3 sine 30 vertical reaction, resolution of 6 kilonewton at point B. 3 plus 1 into 4 your UDL, and the last one is plus 3 is your last reaction which is at point E, that is 9 meter span, minus 7.125, that is a vertical reaction, that is anti-clockwise moment of the point D. So it is your minus, it will consider as a minus because it is resolving on anti-clockwise. So we will get the 2.875 kilonewton. So vertical component of reaction A is it, let's see, it is a small b. As we know that we have given small a horizontal component of the inclined force, that is 5.196. Now the for reaction at A, we will see that as we written over here, that it is a resultant of reaction at A will be the resultant of horizontal or vertical forces. We solve the vertical force at 2.875 and horizontal force is already we have resolved, that is 5.196. So the reaction at A RA will be equal to under root of square of these two, addition of square of these two, that is 2.875 square plus 5.196 square, and under root of all this whole numerical value. So it comes 5.938. By rounding off, we get 5.94 kilonewton, that is a reaction at A. So this is your second answer. Reaction at A, we took the reaction at D is 7.125 kilonewton and reaction at A is 5.94, but still it is not completed because we have to, as we know that it will be the inclined, so we have to find out the angle of inclination. So let theta, let's say is the theta angle which reaction A makes with the vertical axis. So tan theta will be equal to horizontal force, that is 5.196 divided by 2.875 is equal to 1.807, and taking tan inverse of this 1.807, we will get the theta value as 61 degree. So this is your numerical having the answers RD 7.125, RA 5.19 5.94, and angle of inclination of reaction A is 61 degree. Thank you.